Today I'm going to show you exactly how to enable or disable hardware graphics acceleration in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint on your computer. When it opens, click the File tab in the top left corner. That switches the ribbon to the Backstage screen. The left panel shows a stack of commands. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that left panel and click Options. If you don't see Options, make sure the window is tall enough, or just use the scroll bar on the left. The PowerPoint Options window opens, with categories on the left and settings on the right. Click Advanced in that left list. The right side reloads into a long page of settings. Scroll the right pane down until you see the Display heading. This one is easy to miss because it sits below a big block of print and editing options. Under that Display heading are the two checkboxes Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration and Disable Slideshow Hardware Graphics Acceleration. On older builds, you might only see the first one. The first checkbox controls the main editing window, the second controls the slideshow. I always change them together because they are meant to work as a pair. To disable acceleration, check both boxes. Both boxes should now show a check mark. This is the setting to use if PowerPoint flickers, shows black squares, or animations are stuttering. It forces PowerPoint to draw everything with your CPU instead of the graphics card, which is slower but much more stable on bad drivers. If you want to enable acceleration, you leave both boxes empty. For now, I'll leave them checked because I'm troubleshooting rendering glitches. That's the most common reason to turn this off. Now click OK at the bottom of the PowerPoint Options window. The window closes and your presentation comes back into view. Restart PowerPoint. Click the Close button in the top right corner, then open PowerPoint again from the Start menu or your taskbar. This restart matters because PowerPoint reads this setting at launch, not when you click OK. People skip it and then think the checkbox did nothing. When PowerPoint comes back up, open a blank presentation and click into the slide area. The interface should now feel stable. If the flicker is gone, the GPU driver was the problem. Now let's test the actual slideshow, because the second checkbox covers that separately. Click the Slideshow tab, then click From Beginning. The slide fills the screen. Press Escape to close it. If the slideshow also runs smooth, both acceleration settings are active. If you need to re-enable acceleration later, go back to the same file, Options, Advanced, Display Path, and clear both checkboxes. One warning, don't change one without the other. If only the main editing box is unchecked, the slideshow still has acceleration disabled, so the two parts of PowerPoint will not behave the same. If that was helpful, give it a like and subscribe. And leave a comment saying this was helpful, because comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.